Hi, hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you a pretty meta meter maker synthite. How to earn a lot of synthite, right? So this is probably the quickest rating method I've seen. So first off, what you want to do is go over here to your suits advisor, go to boost, make sure you buy this guy right here, Watchman 3. It's only 50 red points, whatever it's called. So that's going to help you out with your raids because it's going to give you a lot of intel on the maps. We have our Fury's Edge maxed out, Sledge Blade maxed out, and these are my two weapons. Some of the time I use the arc barrier if there's like a map with a bunch of corrosive cubes, and you can kind of just sneak your way in. And the suit is very important for me. I got the melee suit, pretty much fully maxed out. I haven't really touched these yet. And the reason the suit is so good is because whenever you hit a trap, you get a movement boost. So that's especially good when running through these maps, these bases. Lunge speed and lunge range is really good too. Real quick, running you through the hardware. I would definitely recommend buying all of these, except the flash barrier. It's not too necessary. I have never used it. But pretty much in our loadout, we're going to be maining the Phonics pod and the spike drive. The grenades are a certain use-based scenario, but yeah, we're gonna main these two. Spike drive will increase your speed. Phonics pod, very important to get more synthite. It's going to give you that second life after we get the gem mat. It's this guy right up here. This will tell you how big the map is and how many tombs it has. One of the main objectives is the tombs. By hitting those tombs, you're gonna get at least, if you go to a 3 tomb, it's at least 100 synthite per run. So that's the main objective, is looking at those tombs. So what I'm just gonna do is go through here and find a nice 3 tomber like this guy, but I already hit this. Actually, I think my game crashed on that one. The second thing that we're going to look at is the harvester path length. 352 is way too long. This one's short, right? Short length. It's a 3 tomb. This one's perfect. I don't really look at the traps too much. I mean, you can. Kind of helps you out. So anyway, we're going to hit this guy. So 3 tombs and a short length. As you can tell on the bottom of the screen, we have 2 of these speed boosts, which I'll show you in a second. And then we have the Phonics healer, right? And then I do dual swords, but you can do whatever you like. Honestly, this kind of works. So anyway, first off, when we go into the map, what we're going to do is look for any tombs. It's kind of what I like to do. Most of the time, if they're nice maps, they'll be inside of the map. But you never know. Sometimes they're just scattered. Some people are cool about it. They direct you straight to the tombs. Oh, like here's one right here, hidden tomb. So now we know the dude doesn't know about the 3 tombs. And yeah. So if we don't find the other 2 inside the base, then we'll check for it after. This map looks pretty guarded. Oh, shit. There's another tomb. So generally, I don't really put too much effort. I mean, I'm trying not to die, of course, but it happens. If I'm like just waking up or something. I'll die a bit. So now we know this guy right here is that. And a lot of the time, a nade can really help you out here. But I don't have one, so we just gotta be smart. Cool. That was 2. And then there's probably gonna be one more inside the map. All right. Now I'll be honest, I never hit this map before, so let's just speed run this. Harvey out the way. So I'm gonna use a speed boost right here. Run through. We don't know what's gonna happen, but holy. Alright. So we already got those tombs. We do not have to worry about them. Boom. Hit this. Whoa. Jump. Shoot. Okay, there's a fire here. Oh, wrong turn. Alright. Perfect. Perfect. What the fuck? Okay, so I'm gonna throw my phonics out there. And then now we get to loot. This is the second part of getting a bunch of synthite, right? So now we're safe. We got the gem mat. We got our pot out. Now we're just gonna loot the entire base. It's pretty dope too. You get to appreciate the map a bit. Most of the time the traps are already set off, but if not, you just gotta be a little careful. This guy, let's just jump here. Whew. Okay, that was cool. We collected what we could. We're at the phonics pod, and we are just gonna get out of here. So that was our run. We're gonna rate it because it was a cool map. All right, so we got 90 synthite that run. Not the best, but not the worst. So anyway, guys, that is the method. You do about 10 of these, 1,000 synthite, you know, plus you get all the, you know, the extras. So like, here's another one, perfect. It's short, only 1 guard. I do look at the guards. I do not like, I don't like guards when I speed run. It's not good. But you see we got the 3 tombs. So this is going to be another perfect map to hit. And if you can't find any, you know, you can go to dangerous. That's a 3 tomb too. That's really good. A bit too many guards for me. You could even find normal maps with 3 tombs, like right here. I kind of just looted that one and dipped, I think. But alright, you guys, we'll keep it short and sweet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, comment, rate. I could definitely do some more videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.